post photo on YouTube community tab on your phone. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can post a photo on your YouTube community tab on your phone. For that, you have to follow this step. So first of all, open up your YouTube app here. Once you have open up your YouTube, you have to go for the plus icon which is on the bottom. Once you are here, you can go for the using this app here. Here you have to go for the create post option. On the plus icon, you have to go for the create post option. So here you can add a photo and upload a photo from your gallery. Here you have to straight or behind this and go and select one of the photos from here. Also you can select the image from your gallery here. Go for the next option and the image is loading. Here you can see that you have successfully edited the image. Also you can select up to 5 images for your post. So on the top there you can see the public option. You have to go and click on that three icon and go for the public option here. So once you are done, go for the done option and go for the post option here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily post a photo on your YouTube community guidelines. You can see your post created here. Go for the view option. So here you can see that you have successfully post a photo on your YouTube community tab on your phone. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.